Holy Esmes just turned itself on, guy. I was in my room just making my bed to go to bed, and Oga just started playing. I don't even hear Siri. No be Siri, guy. He just start to play by himself. My friend here, Menkari Chick, Pink Rosary, been done report this same thing some months back on Boomplay. So guys, this thing now feed be my last broadcast. I don't know what I've betted. I don't know what I've created, fam. So, let me just cuckoo create video now since they've started sinking. The only reason Idebenso comes second to Igofo in the Igommo trilogy, right? Igofo, Idebenso, Echwaja, right? The only reason it comes second, close second, is because Igobammo, Igobofo, Ina Agofo. Nso ana agbagute. Iya agbagode na mmụọ. Nso ya agbagute be nso bụ dibia. It was after I came back from Lagos. I get to know if you can't come back from Lagos, bia dozie agwu ikunnem. That was when I went back to Lagos, and that was when I remember that fufu became poison for me. Small, but surely, slowly but surely, I had to stop eating cassava. So now I go back, man, budibia. Bro, stop sleeping around, especially Ebi whether na wife or whether na girlfriend. That year, my shorty, they tell me, say, if I go touch any other shorty, say if I touch him, say I go bring evil spirits, bad spirits, or whatever she called it then, come give him. I didn't grasp it that time, right? It was in my second stage. She was more awakened. But now I understand all the boy journey. Now I understand that when your woman is among you, Izumizu, when she's not some random whore, when you commune with some random whore, aka fuck, and when you commune with her, you commune with the Akogoli spirits, the Akogoli, the low energy spirits in our temple. Then you come back to your woman, commune with her and give her holy and pollute your holy temple, your woman's temple. You pollute her water people. You pollute her proud female spirits. You pollute their place, their meeting place, with this low vibrational Akogoli energy. Maybe early and more, maybe early again more, yaba. Normally, you go do chlamydia in real life, she'll despise you for life. You feel that? Now, imagine Zia more her spirits will do to you and undisciplined Ikenga for bringing concentrated Ocho into a holy petri dish. Haga waginanko makanibu Ikenga na dilile. Ikenga that failed to protect his temple. Imagine medieval times. You are a knight tasked to protect a temple, and you fail to protect your temple because of long truth. And if the truth is pricking you, let me clear your doubt. Orally boy, anything that you can't give to your mom, right? You can't let a whore you picked from Abakaliki Street come into your kwabu, can you? So why would you put your for Ikenga or for Alose or for discipline, the spirit of discipline? Why would you put your for Alose into her? Unless me bonketa nearly see yourself now. No. More now bo a dibia consultant. Na galundim madafa so. Abuni choka gali afa. Bem nigwe demo DM. Jili Holy Esmes wena me ifem mogi. Jili Holy Esmes wena me ifem mogi. No egu moko. But ina abwa afa tinye in the background. Ine meyechi tinye in the background. Ine mabu tinye in the background. Egu moko. Na banite mo kamo na banite inye mo ifo na like mo na enye gifi na like. Na oto. More like Holy Esmes.